In this video you will learn how to enrich your objects with information. Open the properties of the object that you wish to supplement with additional information. Fields marked with a star are mandatory attributes. Don't forget to fill them out. Head to the Organization chapter. Assign a responsible person, another mandatory field, by clicking on plus. Find an object you wish to assign your application to. Drag and drop the object from the Explorer to the application's properties, and all possible relations between the two objects will be shown. Don't forget to save your changes. Have a look at the Edu IT online help for more information.